Picking up the phone, determined face. Narrator, I just need to check one message. Just one. Opens phone, sees 5 notifications. Narrator. Okay, maybe I'll just reply quickly. Accidentally taps Instagram/TikTok. Scrolls once, and once more, and more. Narrator losing control. One scroll won't hurt. 10 minutes later, laughing at memes. Eyes wide open after seeing a funny video. Narrator. Wait, what was I even supposed to do? Checks the clock. 30 minutes passed. Narrator. Bro, I forgot why I even opened my phone. Puts the phone down, disappointed. Phone buzzes with reminder notification. Reply to that text. Narrator. Oh, right. Screen fades to black with text. This is your sign to stay focused.